Hi students, in this video we are going to see algebra units exercise 3.1 second sum. Exercise 3.1 second sum. So find the product of first one is minus 2 into mn 2m square minus 3 into m. Okay, find the product of minus 2mn 2m square minus 3m. So we are going to find out the product of three terms. So first we are multiplying the sign. Sign of the three terms: minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So plus. So next multiplying the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So plus 12. Next m into m square, m power 3, m power 3 plus here m power 1 is there, here m power 1 is there. So m power 1 plus 2 plus 1, m power 1 plus 2 plus 1, and n power here 1 is there, here 1 is there. So 1 plus 1. Therefore the answer is 12. M power 1 plus 2 3. Plus 1 4 into n power 1 plus 1 2. So this is the answer, 12 m power 4 into n square. Okay, so next one, in same way we are going to find out another sum. 3x square y into minus 3xy cube into x square y square. So equal to, first we multiply the sign, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So you put minus here. So next multiply the numbers. 3 3s are 9, 9 here, 1 is there. So 9 ones are 9, minus 9, x power 2 is there, 2, here 1 plus 1, here 2. X power 2 plus 1 plus 2. Next y power, here y power 1 is there. Next here y power 3. So plus 3, then plus 2. Therefore the answer is minus 9 x power 5 into y power 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. So minus 9 x power 5 into y power 6. So this is the second sum. So we multiply first one, multiply plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Next m power 1 plus 2 plus 1. Next n power 1, here n is not there. So here n power 1. So 1 plus 1. So therefore 12 into m power 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, m power 4 into n power 1 plus 1 2. So therefore answer is 12 m power 4 into n square. Similarly next sum, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. X power 2 plus 1 plus 2. Next y power 1 plus 3 plus 2. So minus 9 x power 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. Therefore the answer is 9x power 5 to y power 6. Okay. So next sum, third one solution. So if they given if L equal to 4pq r square, 4pq square, b equal to minus 3p square cube, and h equal to 2p q cube. Okay. So find the value of L into b into h. They given, what they given? So L equal to 4pq square and b minus 3p square cube and h 2pq q cube. They asked to find out L into b into h equal to 4pq square into minus 3p square cube into 2 into p cube q cube. L, B, H is given. They ask you to find the value of L into B into H, L into B into H values. So first we multiply the sign. So plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus minus. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24. Next p power, here 1 is there. So 1 plus p power 2 plus p power 3. So p power 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next q power. So q power 2 plus here 1 is there 1 plus here 3. Therefore the answer is minus 24 into p power 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 into q power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. Therefore the answer is minus 24 p power 6 into q power 6. Okay, so these two sums are very important, 2 more questions. Okay, exercise 3.1, fourth one, expand. Okay, these model sums are multiplication of polynomial by monomial. Multiplication of polynomial by monomial. Okay, so next we are multiplying. So first 5x into 2y. 5 2s are plus into plus plus. 5 2s are 10. X into y, xy. Next plus into minus minus. 5 3s are 15. There is no variable here, so we put x only. So this is the answer for first one. Okay. So first 5x into 2y plus into plus plus 5 2s are 10 x into y xy. Next plus into minus minus 5 3s are 15 into x. This is the first question, first Roman answer. Next similarly second Roman minus into plus minus 2 5s are 10 p into p square p cube. Okay, next minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6 p into p p square, p into p p square. Okay, next minus into plus minus 2 7s are 14 into p only. Okay, this is second. Next third one. Third one 3 plus into plus plus. So 3 1s are 3. M into m cube, m power 4. Next n into n cube, n power 4. Okay, next plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. M into m square, m cube. M into m square, m cube. Next n into n square. N into n square. Okay. Next plus into plus plus. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. M into m square. M into m square. Next n into n square, n cube. N into n square, n cube. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so this is the one method. Otherwise you can follow that. Another method is there. So you can solve this sum with another method. Let's see. If you not understand this method, you can follow the another method. So 5x into 2y, 5x into 2y minus 5x into 3, 5x into 3. So here plus into plus plus, 5 2s are 10, x into y, xy minus 5 3s are 50, x. So this is the answer. Next similarly here minus 2p into 5p square, 2p into 5p square. Next 2p into minus 3p. So next minus of 2p into minus 3p. Okay, next minus of 2p into 7. So equal to minus into plus minus, 2 5s are 10, 3 power here 1, 1 plus 2, 3 minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 3 into p, p square. Next minus into plus minus, 2 7s are 14, p. This is the answer. Okay, similarly here 3m n into m cube minus 3m n into 5m square n plus 3m n into 7m n square. 3m n into m cube into m cube minus 3m n into 5m square n plus 3m n into 7m n square. So here plus into plus 3 into 1 is there, so 3 only. So m into m cube, m power 4. Okay, m power 4. Next n into m cube, n power 4 minus into plus minus, 3 5s are 50, m into m square m cube, n into n square plus into plus 3 7s are 21, m into m square, n into